Can you guide us a little bit about the admission procedure for the medicine or becoming a doctor?
Even though there are so many people want to become doctors, all cannot, okay, because it involves entrance test. There was a time during my time when I was a student, only PUC marks were considered. I got a medical seat in Bellary. Okay. But later, in 1980, the Supreme Court said, since medical seats are few, but people are large number seeking seats, and 12 standard marks, CBSE, ICSE, state boards, we cannot rely, conduct one single examinations. So in 1984, all states started their own exams, universities, like Manipal, they had their own entrance exam, CMC Vellore, they had their own exam, AFMC Pune, they had exams. And then Karnataka, we had for the government seats, CET, for the private ones, COMEDK, KRLM, like this. Okay, so many seats. Examinations. So students had to write so many exams. I should congratulate the present government that they actually abolished all these seats and made singles actually exam called NEET, National Eligibility Entrance Test. This is conducted every year. Now September 12th, this year exam will be held. Whether you are Indian or abroad, everybody must write the examinations. Earlier, no, if you carry a bag of money from foreign countries, seats were there. But today, even for that, government says NEET exam is compulsory and seats can be given only based upon the NEET marks. So today if you are having a crorepati, you are a crorepati and your son wants to become a doctor, it cannot. He has to or she has to write the exam called NEET, all India level, and then come. But here there are different states, they have to fill the seats based upon all India quota and state quota. All government colleges, 15% government quota. In private colleges, government allotting how many in the government quota and how many private quota. For government quota, money, fees are already fixed. But private quota and all, fees colleges are fixing. But since many people, as Brian said, lot of money is required, many cannot afford about 8 lakhs to 1 crore it seems in Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu and so on. So even those who have got low marks in NEET, but because of the problem of money, many are cannot. Now my nephew is studying in Tumkur, he got a merit seat, but he is spending about 3 lakhs rupees even for a merit seat because government is fixing some money. But at the same time, the college is asking extra money. Then hostel fees, it is very costly. It is, and just MBBS is not required. You have to also go for MDMS and later again go for super specializations. It takes, it seems, 4.5 years for MBBS, 1 year as internship, 4.5 years, 3 years MDMS, 8.5 years. Another 3 years is for your super specialization. So 11.5 years. You become urologist, nephrologist, oncologist and all. After 11.5 years, it takes a lot of time to complete that journey. But once you become a famous, say, doctor, then there is no looking back. Per day, a surgeon can earn about, say, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, which none of us can earn. But to reach that goal, it takes slowly more time. So those who are having established business, parents are doctors, they are hospitals and so on, which is fine. But ordinary person, even though he is good, I am not recommending. As Brian said, his son wanted to become a doctor. My daughter also wanted to become a doctor. My wife studied in medical college, but she says, don't want medicine because it takes many years, lot of money is there. Now for those who are very bright, very capable, very much interested, have a lot of money, reserve money with you, then you can go for medicine. It's definitely a good career, noble career and all. At the same time, you have to also see the finances and you have to clear the NEET exam, and preparation should begin early, not in the PUC level. All India, North India students are so bright. If you come to Mangalore KMC, everybody is speaking Hindi. I'm wondering, our KMC is in Mangalore, but nobody is speaking Konkani and Tudu and all because North Indians are preparing starting from A standard for the NEET exam. So we also have to prepare for the examinations by joining Akash, Alan, Target Medicine at the A standard level, get the books, reference and all. So from 8 to 12, 5 years you study and get a merit seat in medical, it is worth.